Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be following a makeup tutorial by Jaclyn Hill. I'm a huge fan of hers and I've basically seen this trend on YouTube of following makeup tutorials, or in general just following a tutorial. So I decided to jump on board and basically try to make a clown of myself because I am not good at makeup whatsoever. So while she's over here looking like a goddess, I'm gonna be over here looking like a clown.
Okay.
Let's just see how I turn out, basically. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and come on, welcome to the family, and let's just get into the video. That was pretty odd, but let's just go. Oh. Oh wait, she already has her makeup like going. She has her foundation and everything. I don't even have anything on. I'm not a big... Oh my god, that's a lot of foundation. Oh shit. Ah! And where... Oh... See, this one makes me look too orange, but I don't think this is my shade either. I'm not sure. But if I blend it in, would it be my shade? Oh my god, what if it's totally not my shade? Another thing is that I don't have, what do you say? 20/20? Is it 20/20? 40/40? I don't know. You know, when you're basically blind and you have to wear glasses. That's basically me. Let's go with concealer because, girl, you have bags under your eyes. You need to conceal them. How do you do a little up until you do the, what is it, down here. Where else do they do it? Oh, down the nose. Oh wait, oh, I don't know how to draw straight lines. Okay girl, I'm good. I forgot to prime. Oh well. Okay, let's just move on.
Let me just zoom you in. So my eyes
I'm
are
not
already
zooming you in.
primed, so make sure that you do that. That is an absolute must when it comes to your eye makeup. If you don't prime your eyes, you're not going to have the outcome that you really desire. I'm going to start off by taking the third color in the palette, which is
Whatever
the shade Silk Cream. This is
Oh.
Morphe R37.
Wait. So, this is what I do like doing. Tap, tap. Oh, that's a lot. And hopefully I don't end up looking like somebody beat me up. You see, this is what I mean. This eye is closing when this eye should be closed and this one should be open. The struggle is real, girl. The struggle is real. Oh, look at me going up in there. Up in there, up in there. No, that's not the song. Is it? I don't remember. Okay. I'm good. I think. Let's move on.
I'm just blending this back and forth.
Back
I
and
always
forth.
start with light motions just like this.
Whoop, whoop,
and then I
whoop,
always
whoop.
kind of get a circular motion going on.
Circular.
And as there is basically no product left on my brushes, I'm like buffing
Bill.
it from the outer corner. We really don't want too much product in here. Otherwise, it's going to just kind of weigh our eyes down and not give us like that fresh, awake look. It's going to make us
Girl.
look more tired.
It's gonna be looking like I got beat
I'm
up.
going to grab the shade Butter in the palette. And this one
Butter.
definitely has like an orangey, very warm under to blend it out because it will make everything just be seamless at the end. Baby.
I feel crazy
Okay,
about
so now I'm gonna
you.
take the shade Butter palette, which is a super warm baby.
Hold on. You're going too fast, girl. You're going too fast. I'm still in the blending process. Tell me I don't look like I got beat up. No, just don't tell me that, actually. Let me say. Oh my god. You know. Why does this one close? Ah! The struggle. Look, I can't do it.
Is called Puky for obvious reasons. I'm using the exact same brush, by the way, that I initially started
Girl,
off with, and I'm on
same.
the third color. So I'm gonna now at this point bring it just a little bit lower in that transition area. As before, I was blending it higher up. Now I'm gonna be keeping it really nice and precise, which is why I love this brush because it does have like that tapered.
I've been blended in it all over. I don't think there's a problem with that though, right? How do you know when too much is too much or when too little is too little? Do they look like hers? No, I don't think they look like hers, right?
Perfect setting powder, which is just an amazing translucent powder. And I'm going
Okay.
to carve out the makeup. It just makes it so easy for me.
Oh, she's using a pencil. She's using a brush. This one had foundation, but it doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter, of course. So she's gonna start carving out. Oh my god, I put too much. The bottom. Whatever she's doing.
Yes, girl. There's nothing I love
No, girl.
more than shadow. I swear to God, it is so satisfying. All right, now
I don't find it satisfying yet,
buns
cause
right here.
I don't know what I'm doing. Buns, buns, buns for days. Buns, 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 buns. Look at them buns. Something like, I would poke my eyeball again. The struggle.
Brush, and then once I stamp it, then I start to do really small kind of motion. I like
Oh, it's just in the corner. Okay.
just kind of like really small jiggles. And
Jiggle,
that's
jiggle.
how I initially place the color down, and then I start to move it around in little tiny circular motions.
Circular.
All right, I'm gonna grab the shade Pooter right here.
Hold on, girl. Hold on, because I need to do my other eyeball. Look, see, I keep on closing this one. Why? Tell me it doesn't look like I got beat up. Tell me it doesn't look like I got beat up, right?
I'm gonna tap off the excess. I'm gonna so lightly, like barely anything on my brush. I'm gonna let it go over
The same brush?
the entire area now that we have the dark and the light colors put down. Pooter is my favorite color in the palette for my skin tone to really blend everything together. Like, it's that perfect. I love little itty bitty brushes like this one for packing on color in the outer corner. So I'm gonna grab some Central Perk right here.
Oh, wait. You know, I do have a little brush. So I'm going to be using this one right here. This Wet n Wild brush. And she's going with a Central Perk.
The darkest, deepest brown in the palette. And I'm just going to put that in the very,
I think I put too much.
corner. And I just build this really slow, like a tiny bit at a time, because I don't want to like go in with anything too harsh or anything that can't be blended out and make a mistake that I can't erase. Just a tiny
Girl, try erasing my whole face because right now it's like looking like I got beat up.
I don't want to take a deep color like this and go in and just start like blending it all around, otherwise it can kind of ruin what we did. So just a little tiny bit.
Yep, I got beat up.
At a time.
Look, this one's closing again.
I'm gonna go in.
Hold on. I'm not done. Especially with my not working eyeballs.
In light, which is the very first shade in the palette, on just a stiff synthetic brush. This is the MAC 242.
Let's just go in with the pinky and hope this doesn't go wrong. So she's gonna do the inner corner, right?
I'm gonna grab from the Kat Von D the first color.
Oh, wait.
And just put that right over top.
Tell me how I'm holding my breath to do this. The struggle. I don't think that's picking up anything. Let's move on with this one. How come I don't see the same result as her? Oh. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Like, my eyebrows aren't even... I put highlight on my eyebrow! Oh my god. Oops. But they're not fully there. Okay, moving on.
Go ahead and grab any brush and just wipe away that translucent powder.
Any brush, and let's wipe away. Do. Let's see how I look with the wiping. Oh. I don't know. Are you feeling it? I don't know.
Alright, so now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back
Okay.
with the shade Cutie on a pencil brush.
pukey with the pencil brush.
I'm just going to blend that all the way from the outer corner to almost all the way to the inner
Oh,
corner.
blend it in. Okay.
Alright, now I'm going to grab some mocha.
Hold on, girl. Hold on, girl. I'm over here trying to look like I get beat up still. Tell me how I'm still holding my breath to do this. I can't even talk right. Yeah. Let's just move on. So she's going in with
Really stiff definer brush like this guy right
same brush.
here. And I'm going to place that right on my lower lash line, like a pretty generous amount. I'm going to bring it almost all the way into the inner corner.
Okay, hold on. Really tight into the lash line. I don't know how I look. I don't know why I keep on looking at the viewfinder.
I'm going to stop it like right here on the eye. Because if we bring it all the way in, it's going to get really harsh really fast. I don't want the lower lash line to be too harsh. I'm going to go back with the pencil brush in the same pukey shade again, and I'm just going to blend
same brush
out. I'm going to take that black, I'm going to put it just right there, only on the
she goes to the middle
corner of the lower lash.
Okay.
Just to really give it some depth and dimension over there and just add to the kind of cat eye effect that we're doing.
Okay, let's just, I don't see about cat eye, but I'm just trying to look like I didn't get beat up.
So now at this point of the eye look, the eyeshadow portion is kind of coming to an end. So you could do whatever you want.
It's coming to an end?
You could do no liner, you could do a wing liner, you could just do liner straight across the lid.
Okay.
For me, I'm going to go in.
So let's try going in with the liquid eyeliner. Hopefully it doesn't go wrong. I think I went a little bit too high. Let's just go with the flow. Okay, moving on. Yes! So this is the finished look from the tutorial that Jaclyn Hill did. Obviously it doesn't look nothing like hers, probably not whatsoever looks like hers. B minus kind of sorta, but basically this is my first time attempting to really do a makeup tutorial on my face, like follow along step by step and actually do it, because usually I just like watching my binge watch on watching these makeup tutorials, but I never actually do it on my face. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Prune. Bye. 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 I don't know why I tried to swish in and I'm just, I don't know. Alright, bye. I don't know what I'm...
Middle shade.
I'm going to be using this little small one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But
oh my god, no!
No! It got on my shoe. Oh my god. Somebody really wanted me to dirty my shoes, right? Yep.